Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing these outlet extenders. So these are socket extenders for a light bulb, and this allows you to rotate your light bulb in any direction that you'd like. So for us, we're making a custom cloud ceiling, and as you can see, we have light bulbs right here, and I don't want them touching the clouds. So what I'm going to do is use these to direct the lights in different positions, so not only will it be away from the fake clouds, but also we will be able to shine the lights in different directions to fully light up our office. So this is what they look like. This gets threaded into a socket, and then your light bulb goes into these different ends. So now we have one light pointing this way and one light pointing straight down, and you can rotate it however you'd like, wherever you want to put it. You could turn it out this way, however you want to put the light bulb. For us, we're just going to go straight down, but as you can see, you can rotate it very well. So this is awesome. This works great. It's just a good way to position your lights wherever you want. And now the office is much brighter because the direction of the light is so much better. Hope my video has helped you guys. I'm very happy with them.